Hello everyone, let me introduce our newest products. This chest stylings can either use for the refrigerator and the freezer units. Let's take a look for the overall sizes first. The units will be 58 inches in the length and 29 inches and a half in the depth. And the overall height will be 34 inches. The units come with the 4 casters at the bottom, easy to move, and you can see the front. They do have temperatures here show you, and the controllers right here. You can set either for coolers and the freezers, and the levels adjust from here too. Also, they have a LED light switching here. They come in with the 110 plug, US standard 110 plugs. And also the units back. As you can see, the water exhaust here. You can leak the water out from here, connect with the pipe we want. And also have the ETL sanitation stickers right here. Okay, let's take a measurement for the inner side. The unit's glass sliding top. Let's take a look at the inner side. They come in with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 baskets. Let's see the basket size first. 22 and 18.7 inches for the length. Seven and a half inches in the depth. And almost 10 inches in the width. And for the units, it's about like a 24 and a half inches in the top. And 52 inches long. Also about like a 2 feet, 24 inches deep. Thank you for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us. We will give you more assistance and details.